At Intel, we have this culture where it's more than just checking boxes off of a list. It allows us this freedom to expand out and see what else can we do to make Intel better. I'm a silicon architect at Intel. In my spare time, I edit videos for a nonprofit. When I first heard about Resolve, I was really excited to use it to grade my own footage. Not just because it's used for feature films, but also because it's a free application. So I downloaded Resolve and I tried it on my own laptop. And I got this error message. It said GPU not found. Now, this was dumbfounding to me because clearly there's a GPU in my machine and it's an Intel GPU. So I decided to investigate. I was at NAB, at the Blackmagic booth, meeting with their engineers to show them the Intel graphics roadmap. And I said, hey, look, it would be wonderful if we worked together to get Resolve out for the masses. And they said, well, we tried doing this before, and DaVinci Resolve just runs too slowly on Intel right now. So that was my opportunity. So I offered them my help to take a look at their code and see what I could do. They were a bit skeptical at first. They didn't give us the source code, but they pointed us to the obfuscated code. That is code that has a lot of meaningless variable names. It looks like gibberish. There's thousands and thousands of lines which you can't read, and this made it difficult to understand what was happening. So we took that obfuscated code and started replacing the variable names with something that had meaning. Once we found out which compute kernels were the most important, we were able to get twice the performance of the original. And then we achieved 5x, and then 10x. This was amazing. The user experience was smoother, Blackmagic was delighted, and they put out a press release announcing full support of Intel graphics. We're really democratizing this film technology. A student can learn Resolve in her dorm room. A father can grade his kids' videos. You can use the same tool that was used to grade X-Men on the footage that you just shot with your smartphone. After we brought Blackmagic to Intel graphics, anyone with a laptop can go and grade their videos. We were happy to bring this technology to the masses. It showed that a small, close-knit team can have a major impact, and it showed that the culture at Intel is still alive. The one where if you see a problem, that problem becomes your own, and you have to hold on to that and see it all the way through to the end. That's how you go out and do something wonderful. What else can I say?